we are focused on quality cars here at the Auburn auction, much like this last year, 1971 Mercedes-Benz 280 SE 3.5 Cabriolet. An unreal restoration was conducted on this example. Great colors, air conditioning, wonderful history file, and it's cars like this and this specific car that we're inviting you to come and check out at the 55th Annual Auburn Auction and Show. So get registered to bid, check out this and all the other great cars we're offering, and we'll see you at the auction.